We'll guide you through how to find a ClickUp promo code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once you're there, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage where you'll find the resources section. You want to click on blog from there. This is where ClickUp often posts about new deals and promotions. Keep an eye out for any blog posts that mention discounts or special promotions. You can also check out third-party coupon websites like RetailMeNot or Honey, which frequently update with the latest promo codes for ClickUp. Just search for ClickUp in their search bar and see what codes they have available. Make sure to check the expiration dates on these codes to ensure they're still valid. Remember, some promotions might only be available for new users or specific plans, so read the terms carefully. After you find a code, go back to the ClickUp website. Start the process of signing up or upgrading your plan. During checkout, you'll see a field to enter your promo code. Paste your code there and see the discount applied before you complete the purchase. It's a good idea to try different codes if the first one doesn't work. Sometimes, promo codes can be region-specific or tied to particular promotions, so checking multiple sources can be beneficial. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.